In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Gemini on my phone. By the end, you will have the Gemini app ready to use on your own device. First, open your phone's App Store. On Android, tap the Google Play Store icon. On iPhone, tap the App Store icon. When the store opens, you should land on the main screen with a search bar at the top and featured apps or games below. Now, tap on the search bar at the top of the store screen. Type the words Google Gemini carefully, with Google first and Gemini second. As you type, you may see suggestions appear underneath. When you see Google Gemini in the suggestions, you can tap it or just finish typing and tap the search button on your keyboard. From there, look through the search results and select the official Gemini app from Google. Check that the developer name under the app title says Google LLC, so you know it is the real one. You should also see the familiar multicolored Google-style icon for the app. Tap on that app entry to open its details page. Next up, on the Gemini app page, tap Install on Android or Get on iPhone. On Android, the Install button is usually green and near the top right area. On iPhone, the Get button is blue, and you might need to double-click your side button or use Face ID to confirm. Once you tap, the store will switch the button to show a progress indicator. After that, wait for the app to finish installing. You will see a loading circle or progress bar moving until the download and installation complete. On Android, the button will change from installing to an open button. On iPhone, the Get button will turn into an open button, and the icon will also appear on your home screen automatically. With that ready, tap Open in the store, or find the new Gemini icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap it. When the app launches for the first time, you will see the Gemini welcome screen with the Google logo and some short text about what Gemini can do. This confirms the app installed correctly. At this point, sign in with your Google account if prompted. If you already use Gmail or YouTube on this phone, your main Google account might appear automatically and you can tap Continue. If not, choose Add Account and enter your email and password carefully. Once signed in, the app will briefly load your account and then take you to the main chat screen. Finally, start chatting with Gemini using text, voice, photos, or your camera. You will see a text box at the bottom where you can type a question and send it. There is a microphone icon you can tap to speak instead of typing, and a camera or photo icon to share images when you need visual help. As soon as you send something, Gemini will respond in the chat area above. You have now installed Gemini on your phone and started your first chat with it. If this helped you get Gemini running, a quick thumbs up would really help others, and feel free to subscribe for more guides like this.